The future of work is on everyone's mind, and AI is at the center of that conversation. There's a lot of fear about jobs vanishing by 2030, replaced by robots and algorithms. But after talking to AI experts, it's clear it's not about total replacement, but a massive shift in what work looks like. AI will handle repetitive, data-heavy tasks, freeing us to focus on what humans do best. So, let's cut through the hype and look at 5 careers that will thrive in an AI-driven world. These are jobs where creativity, empathy, and complex problem-solving aren't just features, they're the product. Let's dive in. First up, healthcare professionals. AI is transforming medicine, analyzing scans, flagging risks, even assisting in surgery. But healthcare is more than data. It's about trust, empathy, and human connection. A doctor's intuition, a nurse's reassurance. These can't be automated. Every patient is unique, and real care means adapting to unpredictable situations and emotions. AI will help with diagnostics and paperwork, but the heart of healthcare, listening, comforting, making tough calls, remains human. Imagine doctors spending more time with patients thanks to AI handling the busy work. The future isn't doctor-less, it's doctors empowered by technology. The human touch is irreplaceable. That's why healthcare will always need people. Next, let's talk about creative fields. Artists, musicians, writers, designers. AI can generate art, music, and stories, but it's remixing what already exists. True creativity comes from lived experience, emotion, and perspective, things AI can't feel. We connect with art because of the human behind it, not just the product. AI is a powerful tool for brainstorming and production, but the original spark, the story, the struggle, the intent, is human. Artists will use AI to enhance their work, not replace it. Authenticity and emotion can't be programmed. The creative process is messy, personal, and deeply human. That's the real value. Third, skilled trades. Electricians, plumbers, carpenters, mechanics. Robots excel in controlled environments, but real-world jobs are unpredictable. Tradespeople solve unique problems in messy, old, or unusual spaces. They rely on experience, intuition, and dexterity, skills robots struggle to match outside the factory. Every job is a puzzle, requiring adaptability and hands-on problem-solving. AI might help with diagnostics or scheduling, but the actual work needs human hands and judgment. The world will always need fixing, and it'll need skilled people to do it. Fourth, teachers and educators. AI tutors can deliver information, but teaching is about inspiration, mentorship, and connection. Great teachers notice when students struggle, encourage curiosity, and build confidence. The impact of a teacher comes from empathy and personal investment, not just knowledge delivery. AI can handle grading and logistics, freeing teachers to focus on what matters, engaging with students. The future is teachers supercharged by AI, not replaced by it. Shaping minds and inspiring growth is a human job. That's not changing. Finally, mental health professionals. Counselors, therapists, psychologists. AI chatbots can offer support, but real therapy is built on trust, empathy, and human connection. A therapist reads between the lines, senses emotion, and responds with genuine understanding. Healing happens in the space between two people, not in an app. Technology can make support more accessible, but the core of mental health care is deeply human. The need for real connection is only growing. AI can't replace being truly seen and heard. That's why this work endures. So, 5 careers where the human element is the moat against automation. Empathy, creativity, adaptability, mentorship, and genuine connection. These are our strengths. AI will change the world, but it won't replace what makes us human. The future of work is about man with machine, not man versus machine. As AI takes over the routine, we double down on what only people can do. What jobs do you think are safest from AI? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.